Hi guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I will review Pixelayers from top to bottom. Let's be real, editing videos is a pain. I've been editing videos for years and it's honestly one of the most tedious things you'll ever do. With all the different software, uploads and compatibility concerns, it's easier to just give up and not bother. But with Pixelayers, none of that is an issue anymore because you can edit your video right away and get it out there for the world to see. Pixelayers is a comprehensive video editor that enables you to build and edit video content quickly on an initiative and simple web-based platform. Its closest alternatives are V.io, Kapwing, and Clipchamp. I'll cover why it's so powerful, what makes it different from other editors, and how to make the most out of Pixelayers. Before getting into the video, if you like this video, please consider hitting the subscribe button, hitting the bell button to receive notifications whenever my videos go live. If you are interested in getting your hands on this deal, feel free to make use of my affiliate link, which is given both in the description and in the comment section below. As an affiliate, I may earn a small commission when you make a purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Before we get into the Pixelayers app itself, first let's compare its regular pricing and then compare it with the live they are running on AppSumo. First, let's go to their official website, and as you can see first, they have their free plan, which is great if you want to test the waters before upgrading to their premium plans. Their first premium plan comes at $18 a month. It offers 30 exports per month, 10 GB storage, 1080p resolution, 30 minutes video duration, and their business plan comes at $35 a month. It offers unlimited exports per month, 30 GB storage, 1080p resolution, and 90 minutes video duration. Now let's go to their AppSumo deals page, and as you can see, they have three different tiers of plan. The first tier comes at $59 and it offers 50 video exports per month, 20 GB storage, 60 minutes video duration, 1080p video resolution. And their tier 2 comes at $109. It offers unlimited video exports, 50 GB storage, 90 minutes video duration, and most importantly 4K video resolution. And their tier 3 comes at $179 and it offers unlimited video exports, 250 GB storage, 180 minutes video duration, and 4K resolution. I would recommend either the tier 2 or tier 3 if you want unlimited video exports or want to record in 4K video resolution and need more storage and maximum video duration. So that's it for the pricing section, guys. Now let's go to their dashboard and see what it has. Okay, now we are in the Pixelayers dashboard, and as you can see they have their account, billings and logout tab, which are pretty much self-explanatory. So to create the new video you have to press here, and here you have the tutorial section which you can refer if you want help in how to use this tool. So I'll close this tab for now, and this is what the dashboard of Pixelayers looks like. And here you can type your document name, and you got the undo and redo buttons which you can use in case you messed up with the video editing process. And here you got the layout options. First you have the YouTube layout, which is 16:9, And next you have the Instagram layout, which is 1 into 1, and also you got the story layout, which is 9 into 16. Also you can create your own custom layouts as well, and this is where you are going to manage all the video editing process. This is basically your canvas or working space, and right below it you got the pointer icon, which is used to navigate between different tracks here, and you got the cut button to cut any unwanted sections in the video, and last we have the delete button to delete any unwanted spaces in the video. And for the left side you got the forward backward buttons, and also you got the play button. So right here you got the yellow colored T, which stands for text, and you got the blue colored V, stands for video, and last you have the green colored A, which stands for audio. And these are the tracks in which you will be managing your text, videos and audios. So that's it for the overall interface, guys. Now let's go to their left navigation and see what it has to offer. First we click on the images, and as you can see they have different sets of images from which you can choose from. It is powered by Unsplash, so these are royalty free and you are free to use them in your videos. Next we have the video section. It also offers decent amount of video library from which you can choose from. It is powered by Pixels. And next you have the GIFs, which you can use in your videos to further customize it according to your taste. It's powered by Giphy. And last we have the stickers, which also you can use in your videos to further spice up your videos or even bring emotions or actions to your videos. So that's it for the top section. Now let's get to the upload section, and this is where you can upload your own media files. If you are not satisfied with the stock images videos they provided here, you can upload your own images, you can upload your own videos and even audio files. Next we have the text section. This is where you can add your own titles, add paragraphs or choose between different sets of animated styles. And next we have the element section, which is even more personalization it offers to your videos. You can add subscribe button, you can add like button, you can add different sets of emotions, etc. So as for the music section, it's divided into three sections. It starts at music, sound effects and voiceover. First let's click on the music, and as you can see they have different number of musics from which you can use in your videos. And next they have the sound effects, which are also a decent number of library from which you can use in your videos. And last they have the voiceover section. This is where you can add your own voiceovers. You have to select the audio layer and click record and start creating your own voiceovers for your videos. And last we have section, and this is where you can generate your own subtitles. You have to select the appropriate video or audio to track to generate subtitles, and you can choose between different languages, etc. So that's it for the overall interface, guys. Now first let's try creating a video and see how it goes. This will explain you how to create videos from scratch and use the tool vice versa. First let's try adding a video to our content. Okay, first this I'll choose this one. You have to click this and drag it to the videos track. as you can see, our video is getting loaded in the videos tab. Let's wait, it takes a bit long. Okay, now our video is added. You have to double press it and move it to the front. And now we have the video placed inside the video track, as you can see. And on the right you got a bit of options, such as you can adjust your audios, you can do the color corrections, and you can even adjust the speed of the video. Now let's try adding the text to this video. I'm going to add a paragraph. Click on the paragraph and drop it into the text track. And as you can see, our text is added here. You have to double click and move it to the front, and you can change your text here. I'll type my blog name here, Blogger Nations. Okay, our blog name has been typed, and as you can see, you can select change the fonts if you want. You can increase the size, and you can even change the color of the font. You can bold the font, italic the font, underline the font, and even strike off the font. And also you can adjust the alignments of the font, and even you can choose between different background colors, and also you got the color correction options here. Now let's try adding music to our video. You have to press here and you can select any music you want. I'll try the first one as an example. You have to click on that and drag it to the below section, and as you can see, it is getting loaded into the audio track. And now our music has been loaded. You have to double click and move it to the front section so it overlaps with the video. Now let's try adding elements to our video. I'll add elements like this subscribe button to our video. You have to click it and move it to the text section, and as you can see, it is right on the right side. Let's click on it and move it to the front section. And that's it guys, our videos have been created. Let's try playing it and see how it looks like. And as you can see, our video has been created successfully, and it's doing all the things we have created here, which is great. As you can see, the video creation process is very simple to do, and even a beginner can make videos using this simple web-based tool. And once you finish the video, you can click on the save button to save your progress, and it's getting loaded. And now done, our video is saved. And once you finished everything, you can click on export to export your videos. You can choose between different export resolution. Of course, if you choose 4K, it takes longer to process, and you can either on or off the audio. So now let's get to the cons of Pixelayers. So the first con of Pixelayers, it takes a bit long to do the rendering process, especially if you select the 4K video processing. I think they need to work on that to improve the service. And the next con of Pixelayers is they have to work on the user interface a bit. As you can see now, the user interface is pretty much basic, and it requires a bit of overall to improve the overall user experience. And the next con is they are relatively a new product in the market, and they have to work on a lot of things to improve the services to the likes of other popular video editing platforms such as InVideo. And also they got a decent number of assets in their images, videos, GIFs, stickers and elements library, but it would be appreciated if they add even more design options to further customize your video. And overall, Pixelayers is a cheap alternative to other expensive video editing softwares on the market today. It needs a bit of fine tweak to further update the software and make it more accessible to all video content creators. This tool definitely has its potentials, and if the developers continue to support the platform as they are doing now, I'm sure it will be one of the best lifetime deals around video editing suits in the market today. So that's it for the Pixelayers review, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free them to leave in the comment section below. And if you are interested in getting this deal, feel free to check out my affiliate link, which is given in the description below and it's pinned in the comment section. Until then, bye guys.